Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Remington Ceramic Hair Dryer. If you type in like this on Amazon or just Google or on the product website in general, you should be able to find it. It's D3015E. So this is just, like I said before, the Remington hair dryer. It probably looks pink, but that's like how it looks when it's like the lighting is really good. Usually it's like a coral color, so if anybody considers like coral to be in like the pink gradient or like to be in that field of it, then yeah, that it would be considered pink. But I don't know, I don't consider it pink, I consider it coral. I don't know. But yeah, this is the coral version. I do know they have this blow dryer in black and some other colors, but yeah. So getting started, I just want to show you guys what it looks like and then get into the product. So right here, it just has the model, which is, like I said, D3015, like I said before, and it just says some danger about this product, and yeah. And then right here back is like the typical fan part. This part does come off like any other blow dryer, and this part is really easy for it to come off. And then to get it back on might not be so easy, but I've not taken this fan part off in a long time. But yeah, and then right here, like a lot of blow dryers, it has like the cooling part, so if your hair needs a break from being a lot of heat, you can press cool. And then right here is the adjustments for heat, and this is the adjustments for how high you want it to be blowing. So it's like off, medium, and then high, and then or off, low, and then medium, I guess, or I don't know what these settings will be, but this is definitely off for the blow dryer. And then right here, it's like the lowest heat, the medium heat, and then the highest heat. So getting started on this blow dryer, I actually got this as a gift. I did not purchase this. This blow dryer is inexpensive. If anybody is familiar with Remington products, you would know that they honestly are not that expensive. Like, they honestly are inexpensive. You can find Remington products at Walmart, Target, like any place that tends to have like beauty sections. I believe you can find Remington products at Jewel, but don't mark me on that. I believe they sell like hair dryers and straighteners and stuff like that. But I actually grew up on Remington products. I grew up in a big family, and I have 4 sisters. So growing up, my mom wasn't like, oh, I'm gonna buy you an $100 straightener. Like any hair appliance that we had, like all 3 of us tended to share it. So like, unless it was like straighteners and we got those like individually for Christmas, like, but that wasn't until we got older. Like until I was like a sophomore in high school is when I started like accumulating my own like hair appliances. But yeah, so we started off sharing, and I remember my mom used to like do it the easy way, and I am African American, so I know like my hair texture is different than like a lot of other races and a lot of other ethnicities. So I can only speak on the preference of my hair, but I do have sorority sisters who've used this blow dryer and they've spoken on it. So I just want to tell you guys about that too. But yeah, so like I said, I never had my own hair appliances and stuff like that. So when I got in college, the first thing that I knew was just to go to Walmart and get a simple blow dryer. Well, mine ended up breaking. So for like one of our sister swaps, one of my sorority sisters ended up getting me another blow dryer. And guys, this one worked. I'm not going to say it's the best blow dryer that I've had, but for it to be so inexpensive, it works very well in my hair. And I have very like tight, kinky curls. So oftentimes once I get done washing my hair and then like I'm showering, like it's just a hot mess when it comes to like trying to like maintain and control my hair. But this blow dryer does such a good job at like straightening out my curls. usually, like, if it's a really good blow dryer for me, it'll get my hair like sort of like straightened down. This blow dryer leaves my hair poofy, which I don't mind because it's still like got the curls out. But I have sorority sisters who are Caucasian and who are Hispanic, and they've used this and they loved it. Like, they don't even have to like take a comb and like comb or brush their hair when they're blow drying. They can just take the blow dryer and like wind through it. So I mean, like, they love this blow dryer. I like it. I'm not gonna say I love it just because I've had like other blow dryers to work better for my hair, but I'm not gonna say that it doesn't like do like what I need it to do. But overall, guys, like, this blow dryer is a good blow dryer, especially if you're on a budget and you're looking for something affordable, something that's durable, figuratively small compared to some blow dryers, but I really like it. And yeah, this is just the Remington ceramic hair dryer, and it's in the model D3015E, just in case you guys go looking for it.